Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings. This gets you into the controls immediately. Once in Settings, tap Chats to find the media visibility or Save to Camera Roll toggle depending on your platform. Make sure your app is up to date and that WhatsApp has permission to access storage or photos. If permissions are missing, you can't change behavior reliably. Do this now so the next steps affect the correct options without friction or wasted searching. Now you change the specific autosave settings. On Android, go to Settings, then Chats, and toggle media visibility off so new media won't appear in your gallery. On iPhone, use Settings, Chats, then switch off Save to Camera Roll. For fine control, open any individual chat, tap the contact or group name, choose Media Visibility or Save to Camera Roll, and set it to No for that conversation. Doing this gives you both global and per-chat control, so unwanted photos stop appearing immediately. Finish by restarting WhatsApp so changes stick, and then check your gallery to confirm new images no longer appear. If older images remain, clear the gallery cache or delete them manually. This won't affect chat copies. If autosave persists, verify OS-level photo or storage permissions and any backup or sync apps that might re-add images. Revoking permission temporarily can reveal the culprit. Finally, make sure you didn't enable any third-party automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.